The 5 makeup products I'd use if I was a makeup beginner. Starting your makeup journey can feel overwhelming with so many products out there. But don't worry, you don't need 20 items to look fresh, confident, and glowing. If I were starting out as a makeup beginner, here are the 5 must-have products I'd start with. Tinted Moisturizer or BB Cream. Why? It gives you a light coverage and evens out your skin tone without feeling heavy, perfect for everyday wear. Beginner tip. Choose one with SPF so you get hydration, sun protection, and coverage in one step. Suggested use: apply with your fingers for a quick, natural look. Concealer. Why? To cover under-eye circles, redness, or any blemishes, it's your little magic wand. Beginner tip. Go for a creamy formula that's easy to blend. Use your ring finger or a small brush to dab under the eyes and on spots. Eyebrow pencil or gel. Why? Defined brows frame your face and instantly make you look polished. Beginner tip. Use light strokes and follow your natural brow shape. A tinted brow gel can also help hold hairs in place and add color without much effort. Mascara. Why? It instantly opens up your eyes and makes you look more awake. Beginner tip. Black or brown black mascara works for most beginners. Start with a lengthening formula if you're new. Tinted lip balm or lipstick in a natural shade. Why? Adds life to your face without being too dramatic. Beginner tip. Choose a color close to your natural lip tone for everyday use. A tinted lip balm is great for hydration plus color. Bonus tips for beginners. Don't worry about contouring or full glam at first. Focus on feeling confident and learning your face. Invest in a small set of brushes or use clean fingers for application. Always remove your makeup before bed.